Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ruparanjan. Today I am going to talk about Amazon referral program. So many people ask me to refer them to Amazon, but I can't refer everyone into Amazon because there are some rule regulations that we have to follow before referring someone. So in this video I am going to talk how the referral process in Amazon works. So before knowing the referral process, let us know how the job vacancy is listed in any company. If there is any vacancy, then the team lists that opening in their job portal, internal job portal. So big companies like Amazon, Google, and all the big Infosys like companies, they get lot many applications through their internal job portal, and they also rely on the third-party websites like Naukri.com, LinkedIn, and Indeed Jobs like that one. From there also they got so many candidates. For that one, they have to pay some monthly subscription fee or per candidate fee. Then again, there are some third-party consultancies to whom they rely on to get candidates. For them, they have to pay per candidate on per candidate basis. Then there is a referral process. Then companies rely on the internal people to get some candidates. For that one, they have to pay some amount of money to people. So since we know the process of how the recruitment works in Amazon or respective companies, and how is the work culture there, and how is the work there, so we can vouch for the company. So if we know someone in our friend circle or relatives or some social groups, then we can refer those people to our respective companies. So for each process there is a cost involved. So if you have already applied to Amazon, what happens now? Company knows about you, then the company will not pay me to refer you. So if you have applied in Amazon in the last 6 months, then I can't refer you. In that case, you will be tagged as a direct application. So for the next 6 months, you will be considered as a direct application. If I am referring you to Amazon, even if you have applied to Amazon directly, then still you will be considered as a direct application. But if you have not applied through Naukri, LinkedIn, or any third-party website or in job portal, and I am referring you, then your referral will be considered. Then you will be tagged as a referral candidate for the next 6 months. From the date on which I referred you to the next 6 months, you will be considered as a referral candidate. Within that 6 months, even if you are applying on yourself, then also you will be considered as a referral candidate. So this is the whole process how referral works. Then there is something like when someone approaching me for referral, what happens? I will go to our internal job portal. Then there I have to go give the job ID. Against that job ID, there will be some column refer someone. So I have to click there. Then when I am clicking there, I have to upload your resume. Along with that resume, I have to give her name, phone number, and email ID so that recruiters can contact you. Then once I refer you, after 2-3 days, you will get an email stating that I have referred you. So that is a confirmation that you got referred to the company. After that one, I don't have any role in your selection process. So when you will get the email that you got referred to Amazon, then you have to open that link. Then you have to fill all your basic details like your education and all the things, so that your application will be complete. If you have applied previously, like any times, only if you have opened your account previously, then you don't need to do anything, let it be, ignore that email. But if you are applying for the first time and if you have not created any account in Amazon.jobs, then you have created an account. So after that one, it's all the role of the ATS and recruiter. They will select you basis on your resume, what you have written on your resume. So ATS, because Amazon gets so many applications for each and every position, open position, they get thousands of applications per position. Then all the application goes through ATS, that is application tracking system. They see all the resume through like keywords and all the things. Then they will reject some some applications and forward some application. Then comes the role of the recruiter. They will check the how candidate is good or bad or not, whether they are meeting the skills or not, or experience. Then based on that one, they will put your resume for interview or not. Then we as a employee, we don't have any role in that one, because you have to understand there are more than 1 lakh employees in Amazon. If for one position, open position, if 5,000 employees also referring their friends or relatives, so there are 5,000 applications. So it is not possible for the recruiter to answer each and everyone's referee's status. So it will be very difficult task for them also. Then someone can be biased about some candidates. So Amazon doesn't allow anyone to check the status of the application by calling the recruiter or anyone. So if you are asking me what is the status of your job, even I can't say that one. That is not allowed also by Amazon. Now the question is whether referral is better than applying directly or not. So many candidates ask me this question, whether referral will make more sense than applying directly or not. I will say yes, referral makes more sense than applying directly, but in certain condition. If I am referring you, that means I am vouching for your skills and leadership principles. So when you will be given little bit more difference, that is like 19-20 ka farak, not that much difference that you will get the direct application, like direct interview call for the role, and others have to go through the ATS, then recruiter, then hiring manager. It doesn't work like that one, but it is having a little bit advantage over applying directly. So this is how the referral process works in Amazon. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer each and every questions. If the questions are more, then I can make another video to clear your doubts. If you find this information useful, then please like this video and share with your friends who want to apply for Amazon or want referral for Amazon. And if you want to see more videos, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video in future. Thank you.